Set a new password upon the first login to the smart logger. Set Startup Authorization Code of the S. Set basic parameters. Click Search for device to check the cable connections and allocate addresses. Click Next and click Confirm in the dialog box. Do you want to instruct the inverter to start optimizer search based on the actual scenario? Set array parameters. Set inverter parameters. Set battery parameters. Optional, connect to the power meters. Set related parameters by referring to Setting Major Parameters in the Smart Logger 3000 User Manual. Optional, connect to the Environment Monitoring Instruments (EMIs). Set parameters for battery settings. Connect to the management system. Connect to third-party devices. Skip this step if third-party devices are not involved. Relay protection device parameters. Set microgrid parameters. After the microgrid parameter settings are complete, click Submit. Click Finish.